If your Schlage smart lock isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, the issue is usually related to the network band or weak signal strength. Most Schlage Wi-Fi locks only support the 2.4 GHz network, which offers better range but is more prone to interference from other devices. When the router is set to 5 GHz only, the lock may fail to connect or constantly go offline. In most cases, fixing the connection simply involves checking the Wi-Fi band, resetting the lock, and reconnecting it through the Schlage Home app. Step 1. Make sure your router broadcasts a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, since Schlage locks don't connect to 5 GHz only networks. Step 2. Press and hold the Schlage button for about 10 seconds to reset the lock's connection. Step 3. Open the Schlage Home app and reconnect the lock to your Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and turning it back on. Step 5. If the signal is weak, move the lock closer to the router or use a Wi-Fi extender to improve connectivity.